Let's see, let's see. Howdy, howdy, guys. Don't forget, leave a like, share, subscribe. Wipe y'all feet and stuff when y'all walk up in here. Let's go. We're facing the Fang right off the bat. Remember, like, share, subscribe, mates. Playing some Beyblade Burst Rivals. Got my order already. Let's go. We're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Crud. Still some emojis. Ooh, nice damage. Hopefully, I'll stay warm. We're having a fucking winter storm in Kentucky, guys. What the fuck? Ooh, another ult. Let's go. Up, fall. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Yeah, I had to switch the bays up a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Come on, baby. Fall, fall. Come on. There we go. Oh, this might hurt. This might hurt a little bit. Let's go. Ooh, absorb. Ooh, absorb. Let's see. Let's see. Matching. Matching. Nice. Oh, time. Let's go. Let's go. It's snowing like crazy. And he's out of here. Should I go? I'm gonna go Wild Rivarn again. I'm gonna go Wild Rivarn again. Ooh, Glyph. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. He got this. Mm, let's go. Wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. I thought he was gonna win that one. Nice, nice. But yeah, guys, this game ain't bad, man. I've been slacking on it a little bit. I ain't been getting no matches. So, but I have now, so here I am. They got a little tournaments going on. I don't feel like doing the tournaments right now. I just feel like ranking up. Ooh, in the match already. Let's go. Mm. Oh no. Mm. Let's go. Let's go. Knock him back. Let's go. My stamina is low as hell right now. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Mm. Mm. Wow. Still wasn't enough. That's alright. That's alright. Come on, Anubis. Mm. Mm. Burst finish. I'll take it. I'll take it. I got packed out by Orochimaru, bro. Bro got a piano on his shirt. I'm dead. Nah, bro, that was weak. That was weak. We got to run that one back. We have to run that one back. Bet. Ugh. cough. Let's see. Let's get some knockbacks. Let's go. Counter. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. Massive. That's burst. Mm. Not bad, not bad. Let me just go back with Tempest. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna go with Tempest again. Let's go. This is gonna be legendary. Let's go. Well played, well played. Now that was a fun one. That was a fun one. What y'all doing though today on this winter stormy day for those who's dealing with that, yo? And if y'all like Beyblade, man, how y'all like the game so far? I think it's one of the best Beyblade mobile games out there. I think so. I think so. That's nasty work, yo. Y'all heard about that jump button stuff I was talking about last video? Dude, dude got the dude got the pre-recorded at the old spot of a ad he was doing. That's crazy work. That's crazy work, man. Still trying to get over this cough, mate. So I'm about almost done with it. I think. I think I am. Who y'all want to see me bathe with, yo? And who y'all want me to get powerful, yo? I got mad bays to train. I got mad Beyblades to train. I got a freaking. Oh, I didn't want to put him on the lineup if I'm going to rank for sure. Mm, hold on. All right, I'm back. I had to clear my throat, mate. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Who we gonna throw in the lineup? Should we get some ice bays in the lineup? I need him for my freaking my ultimate boost. I'm gonna keep Tempest. Where was the snow at on Christmas Day, lads? Oh, this look like the same guy. It is. It is the same guy. I get to run it back with the piano shirt. Let's run it back then. Let's do it. Let's go. Super Tempest attack. How they get the bays that do nothing? How do they get the Beyblades that do 0 damage to them? I'm still trying to learn how to get a Beyblade like that. What Beyblade does he have? Yo, any of my Beybladers know? I got that though, I think. Yay, let's go. What? That was horrible. What was that, man? Yo, guys, what was that? That was bull. That was complete, utter bull, yo. Let's run that again. I don't know what happened, man. Oh, we're back. We're back. Same guy. Hopefully, they don't kick us. Oh. Ooh. Nice damage. That was nice damage. I'm tapping these little damn things. Let's go. Wait. Nothing. Something. And another burst finish. Wow, man. Well played. Well played. What? Why is there a synchronization error happening? Did it count as a loss? Did it count as a loss? It didn't count as a loss. I'll take it. Wow. Yeah, y'all. It'd be Beyblade be mid sometimes with the connection and stuff, but other than that, it's all right. Let's see if it gives me the same person. How much I want to bait though? Ooh, surprisingly, no. Akira. He has a glyph too. So you know the powers of the glyph. Come on, you gave me more time than that. He annihilates me if he gets his ult first. And then he does. Okay, okay. Hmm. This can't be good, mates. Looks like I'm gonna take another L here. We'll see, we'll see. Let's go, let's go. Nothing. No knockback, nothing, no damage, nothing. That perfect circle is something. What a knockback. Let's see what I can do, y'all. Let's see what I can do. Let's see what I can do. Come on, come on, come on. Cyclone loop, come on, kinetic. Nothing. Not even a shove. Come on. Come on. Come on. Match, match. Come on. There we go. It ain't lost yet. It ain't lost. Come on. I know he has more time than me, and I know it. That, that Anubis Beyblade is pre OP. I ain't gonna lie. So I had to cop me one and make it strong. Nothing. Wow. Good game. Wow, what a L. All right, let's take 2 or 3 minutes right here and analyze our team and let me think about my next move here. Got a freaking chest on lock, but yo guys, any contributions to the channel would be appreciated. Donations, Cashapp AngryBeeDrill93. AngryBeeDrill93. Anything helps, man. Help a fellow gamer, help a fellow potter, yo. Oh, and they got the freaking, they got the freaking race of that lady who got caught on fire, yo. I heard on the report, on the Star report, that she was in paper standards, they say black, but long story short, or whatever, colored woman, etc., burned alive on a train station in New York. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. People think shit really sweet out here. Excuse my language, but yeah, it's crazy out here, man. Don't understand, but hey, whatever, I guess. Needs more, widespread coverage. Hence why I'm coming out of my shell, man. Giving y'all the tea, yo, on stuff that probably didn't hit y'all platform because they want y'all to get certain algorithms and stuff in there for y'all so y'all don't have to, know what's really going on behind closed doors. Nah, man, I'm pretty freaking straightforward and honest with my shit. I don't know what these people be on, but there's things that need to be discussed, man. And I have a cause, mates. I do, I do. Again, like, share, subscribe. Go enjoy it. Gaming media content. Condolences to the people that passed on that plane crash in South Korea, yo. This is why I don't get on planes. It's why I'm scared of planes, really. Like, yo. I mean, it's like probably like not even a high percentage chance that that'll happen, but dude, just the thought of it just irks me. It irks me the wrong way. I'm gonna get back to my Wild Rift, but dude, I've been getting trash teams lately, and that just ain't just been there, yo. I need to get there though. I need to get there, mentally, Mental is a big, big thing that we need to focus on in this country, really. Like in America and the US, United States. Mental health, guys. Tell a friend, man. As my man Dane D would say, tell a friend, y'all. I got good cards here. I got something good here, y'all. I got something good going on here. Hopefully the powers that be of YouTube will let me continue this, because I'm 93 videos in, and y'all hear my little ones in the background. Yes, they just now realizing it's snowing. But, again, guys, appreciate y'all sticking around and stuff, yo. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. Alright, let's get back into this gameplay, guys. Let's see how long I wait to find a match. It's been pretty good today, I ain't gonna lie. Been pretty good lately. Been pretty good lately. Wait, who I have in the lineup? Alright, this should do. This should do. And there we are in the match, guys. Here we go. Ooh, Yukio. Okay, let's go. Yuki. Alright, let's go my Ice Bay first. Let's see if I can make a highlight on this bit. Got Master Devilos. Ooh, match. Here we go. Nice knockback. One spiral. Mmm. Knockback was crazy. Mmm. Master launch. She probably got that. She about to make me into a highlight. Hold on. I freaking knew it. I freaking knew it, yo. Should I go ice again? Nah, dude. No time? None? They only gave me two, y'all. Look at that. Let's go. I'm going glyph again. Ooh. Let's see what I can do, mates. Let's see, let's see. I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's go. GG. Close one, close one. Ooh. Victory. I'll take that W. I'll take that W. I've been getting them dubs. Let's go. Oh, let's go, man. Shish. I'm with my like 5-2. The missus is awake. Good morning.
So the Amazon vlog I had scheduled for today got canceled because they canceled the work and they're still gonna pay me for it. And
That's good.
there is hella red mats all over the DoorDash, and they're doing $2 piece pay. But it already looks bad. I was gonna say we can go do DoorDash, but never mind. I changed my mind.
It looks freaking horrible out there.
Look at it. Look at how deep it already is on my car. You're not even gonna be able to move. And this is just the beginning of the storm. Look.
It started now. It said.
Look at that. Look at how far it is up on the tires.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on, baby.
You can feel that breeze coming in from outside.
You can.
Oh, the window's open a little bit.
I had Jinx look out there for a little bit. And I think I'm done for with this one. Oh,
Okay.
real. Alright, guys, I'm bringing out the glyph. Yeah, it's bad out there.
Yeah, never mind. I was gonna say we can go do Dash because it was busy, but never mind. They might as well just shut that shit down. Ain't nobody
Ooh,
gonna be able to drive out there in that.
mm-mm. Hopefully I get enough. He might get redemption. He might get
Come here,
redemption.
you. You've been playing with that since last night. Come here. Come here, you.
Ooh, what a knockback. What the hell? Nice. Alright, Yukio, you got that one back.
Look at this baby.
I see that baby every day. Alright, mates. We done did over a half hour. But I'll be back, mates. I'll be back. Y'all like, share, subscribe. I'll give y'all some good highlights in a little bit. Y'all stay tuned in the next one. Oh, look at that rank. I'm still 4,000. I don't even care. Alright, y'all. Like, share, subscribe. Bye, everybody.